Hey guys, this is the BMW X5. It's the 2018 model. It's got a really nice interior, this car. So let's get started with this review. So it's got a really nice, well laid out cockpit. Interior is really good quality. It's metal finish over here. This is the infotainment system. So I can just control all the music using this. It's the BMW iDrive system, they call it. It's my vehicles, notifications, navigation, communications. Really nice. Really nice big screen as well, good quality. This is the steering wheel. It's got an M Sport badge. Leather wrapped steering wheel. The BMW logo. And you got gear shifters over here, so you can change the gears in this. It's like a digital dash that BMW have got, so when you turn the car on, it starts up. This car's got the electronic parking brake. You can change the mode, sport and comfort, and this is to turn on and off the traction control system. Got some storage space over here, 2 cup holders, cigarette lighter, charger. You switch on and off the infotainment system using this. So if you play with the infotainment system on my vehicle, you can change like the vehicle settings, iDrive settings, vehicle status, driving information. Go back using this. Go on the navigation. Go on the map. You can see right now that we're in Leicestershire. Really good quality, I have to say. And go back. Go back again. Go on the radio. You can choose which radio you want to keep, AM, FM. You can choose AUX, DVD, CD, USB, etc, etc. It's really nice. Got the air vents over here. Hazard lights. Control the temperature using this. You can control the lights using this. It's got a speaker system. It's the boot release. It's all electronic windows. You can control the mirrors using this button. It's even got ambient lighting, this car. You can see it goes kind of a bluish colour. I think it's a really good touch. The seats are really comfy as well. Black leather, stitched. Really good quality. Got storage space as well over here. So it's got a USB input, and it's got an AUX input as well, over here. Got a little cubby kind of storage space over here as well. And you've got the start stop button over here. So if you put your key in this fob, and if you press that button, the car will start up. Huge alloy wheels. The BMW grille. This is the passenger, at the back passenger seat. Zoom in and out. The passengers also got charging ports at the back, storage space, air vents for the passenger as well. Got some storage space over here as well, you can store books and all that kind of stuff. Leather finishing everywhere. Electronic seats. Got 2 speakers, so you can hear some good music. Also got storage space here, so you can put like a bottle or some other crap. And you've got ambient lighting over here. Looks really nice. You can change the colour of that as well. Blue. Even the passengers got lighting over here, more lights. Got more BMW cars outside. If you're out in the dark and you can't see anything, there's light over here, you see it. Huge wheels, M Sport. This is the rear end of the car. Ass. Got huge exhaust over here, really sporty.